Here's an expression that's in the news today: made off. If someone's made off with your money, they've stolen it. If someone makes off, they've escaped. How ironic, then, that a man who made off with more money than anyone else in history, some $65 billion, should be called Madoff. Why is Bernie Lawrence Madoff in the news today? Because Bernie Madoff has made off himself. He's dead. Madoff died in prison today at the age of 82, having served just a fraction of his 150-year sentence. Convicted in 2009, after admitting his crime in 2008, Madoff served just 12 years in prison. The moral of this story is that crime only pays if you don't get caught. A new trending vocabulary item will be along soon.